The bell puff, puff, and he blew the house down. And the pistol, mash.
Say goodnight to Noonie.
Good night, Noonie.
Good night, Max. I love you. Max! Right now you're not talking. Why?
I'll go in the airplane.
With who?
With Mommy and Daddy.
Here we go.
Wow. And whose house? You going?
I can fly.
You flying?
Yes.
In the airplane?
Yes. Cause we have some snacks.
Oh, you have a snacks there?
Yes.
Ah.
Maybe tomorrow we're going to airplane.
Not tomorrow you're not going.
Get a
Tomorrow.
letter.
Watch the lights and guess what letter they're making. When you know the letter,
What
touch the
is
letter
it?
button to make your
Let's
guess.
see yours.